Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So the last video I posted on the stuff that I'll be carrying with me to India, my makeup stuff. So this video I'll be focusing on skincare items. So let's get started. Okay, so first up I will be taking this Illyoon's Barrier Gentle Cleanser. This is a brand new one. I'll be trying this for the first time. So I will let you know how this is on the skin. Next up, moisturizers. This is my absolute fave, Cera Ve moisturizer. I think it's like a cult favorite for all those dry, dehydrated skin. I mean, it's so thick and creamy. Just look at that. Instantly moisturizes and hydrates your skin. I absolutely love this, and this is a repurchase, and I'll be taking this to India as well. Another moisturizer that I love is The Ordinary's NMF and HA moisturizer. This is also very thick, very good for dry skin. So we'll be taking this. Next up, my La Roche Posay Cicaplast Balm. I cannot go anywhere without this. This is such a, a kind of recovery kind of cream. And if you have problems like dry skin, patchiness, irritations, redness, all that sort of skin problems, La Roche-Posay Cicaplast will be your savior. The sunscreen that I'll be taking with me is the Tocobo Bio Watery Sun Cream. I think this is very great for dry skin people. It's like a watery texture, but it hydrates and moisturizes as well. And another sunscreen that I'll be taking with me is the Banana Boat Sport Cool Zone one. This is a body sunscreen, and it is a spray-on, so it's very easy to apply all over your body. So I'll be taking this as well. The eye cream that I will be taking is the Glow Recipe one, Avacado Retinol eye cream. I've been using this for a while now, and it's just an average product in my opinion. I mean, it does cost a bomb. Is it really worth that money? I don't think so. I would prefer many other affordable eye creams than this. But since I bought it and I started using it, I have to finish it, so I'll be taking this. Next, I'll be taking the Formulax Lactic Acid Serum. Lactic acid is a great option if you want a gentle exfoliator. Next up, my overnight serums. This is the BodyShop's Vitamin E Overnight Serum. I absolutely love this. Your skin feels hydrated, moist and plump whenever I've used this. So I use this daily in the night. And whenever my skin is acting a little weird with all the redness and itching and all that sort of things, I use this Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum. Absolutely love this from Dr. Sheths. All that I currently use, the Deconstruct Retinol Peptide Serum. I've been actually liking this. I put a moisturizer and then put this on, so that there's a barrier between the retinol. Then I'll be taking the Rovectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Face Oil. I absolutely love this oil. I'll be repurchasing this for sure. I don't know, your skin just feels absolutely amazing the next day after using this. This is a great option if you have a damaged skin barrier or you have very dry skin. Then I'll be taking my makeup remover balm. This is from BodyShop. I don't know how many times I've repurchased this. I think this is like my 9th or 10th tub. Absolutely love this. Very good for people with dry skin. If you are not into micellar water, this is a very good option. I'll also be taking the COSRX Advanced Snail 92 cream. This is a great option as a moisturizer. It's very thin and look at that texture. I absolutely love this cream. This is my second purchase. Just to talk about the fragrances that I'll be taking with me as well, I'll be taking the Versace Crystal Noir. I love this. It's a little bit intense. It's great for evenings and night outs. It's a good choice. This is my all-time favorite, Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. Absolutely love this aroma from this. The scent is absolutely nice. And then finally, the SOJ's Brazilian Crush 71. This, I don't know, it's just like a bakery, vanilla caramelized sugar kind of scent. Absolutely love this. Doesn't stay that long because it is a spray, like it's not a perfume as such. It's more of a body mist. so it won't, the scent doesn't stay that long, but it's a great option for, you know, quickly just for reapplication. And love this. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I will have more videos coming up, because I have a lot of stuff that I have bought, like hauls. So definitely a lot of haul videos coming up. So thanks for watching. Bye.